जब वो बॉर्न हुआ था, आई मीन टू से कलकत्ता हॉस्पिटल में थे, मैं जब उसको पहली बार देखा तो इट वाज ऑल टुगेदर अ डिफरेंट फीलिंग एंड आई कुड फील दैट कि मतलब he means a lot to me.
अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे.
As a child, he was very arrogant, aggressive, angry. He and I never gelled, but since the time I went to boarding and he realized he has nobody to trouble, that's when he started understanding that the importance of a sister, and then he started becoming more calm and more mature. If he is caring, if he really likes somebody, he will go to any limit to do anything for that person.
अच्युतं केशवं सत्यभामाधवं माधवं श्रीधरं राधिकाराधितं इन्दिरामन्दिरं चेतसा सुन्दरं देवकी नन्दनं नन्दजं सन्ददे.
When he was very small, he have just started playing cricket. एक ऐसे ही उन लोग का मोहल्ले में कोई क्रिकेट मैच हो रहा था and he had won man of the match का prize which was ₹1 and he brought it and gave it to me. मम्मी ये मेरी पहली कमाई. I cannot forget that.
वल्लभी वल्लभा याचिता यात्मने कंसविध्वंसिने वंशिने ते नमः. कृष्ण गोविन्द हे राम नारायण श्रीपते वासुदेवाजित श्रीनिधे अच्युतानन्द हे माधवाधोक्षज द्वारकानायक द्रौपदी रक्षक.
I was very proud when he was on the field. Pune Warriors का मैच था, जब मैं मैच देखने गया था और लकीली वो हमारे साइड में ही फील्ड कर रहा था. इट वाज फील्डिंग. अगल बगल में जो 2-3 बैठे हुए थे उनको मैं बोला ही इज़ माई सन. तो दैट फीलिंग वाज ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट.
She has that this thing of handling people. Even in her dance class, she must have been in 8th or something, and her teacher used to send her to teach children who need special attention. So she used to individually teach these children. So she has this quality in her to reach out to people.
As a kid, if she started crying, everyone, first thing they would ask, they would just scream my name because they thought that I've done something. From anywhere, even if I'm not around, they'd just take my name.
talented person, active in all fields, and उसकी एक अच्छी खासियत है कि she keeps in contact with all her friends right from childhood.
This is, she just brings people together. She has a relationship with someone, it just continues.
Yeah, her how she'll come Papa, and whatever she wanted, I always gave her.
Shopping and going out anywhere, and especially past 6-8 months we've been together, so it's going to be difficult every single day.
I love her. I'll miss her a lot.
तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा ज़े नसीब
मेरे करीब मेरे हबीब तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा ज़े नसीब
तेरे संग बीते हर लम्हे पे हमको नाज है तेरे संग जो ना बीते उस पे एतराज है इस कदर हम दोनों का मिलना एक राज है
हुआ अमीर दिल गरीब तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा ज़े नसीब
ज़े नसीब ज़े नसीब तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा ज़े नसीब
होना लिखा था यूं ही जो हुआ या होते होते अभी अनजाने में हो गया जो भी हुआ हुआ जी
तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा ज़े नसीब
ज़े नसीब ज़े नसीब तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा ज़े नसीब हुआ अमीर दिल गरीब
तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा ज़े नसीब
ज़े नसीब ज़े नसीब तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा
We met 2005. In 2005 in Symbiosis, we were in junior college together.
तू होगी 1 to 2 ओ कुड़िए
And he would hardly attend college. And there was this one time he came to college for notes, and that's the first time I met him.
ओ हो गई मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी टुक टुक तू करदी मेकअप तू कर दिया
I still remember that time he came running up and asked one of my classmates. That's the time we started talking.
साडी विक्टोरिया तू कंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन तुम
He's quite dynamic, right? He's always out there. He's to the face. He'll always tell you what it is. You know, it's this, it's this.
तू कंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नचे भैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा
I don't think she knows, but she's the first person on my speed dial, and I don't know. It's always on top about everything. But fact is that all my friends know that I have a little sister, and anytime she goes out, even if I'm not around, there's somebody or the other out there taking care of her.
And then we grew and we became best of friends, and she went to the USA for an exchange program, and I was here back playing whatever I do, playing and studying and stuff. But eventually we started dating in 2009. Thanks to the USA again. She went for a holiday that time, and that is when I realized that how much I really like her and I love her.
गुलाबी शेड दा रंग है फिरंगी रखी तू सांभ के सानू ते लगदा 100 साल तो चंगी जगह कोई नहीं है बदिया तू घंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नचे भैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा.
It was not actually the time when I went there to study. It was when I was on a trip with my parents. And I still remember he used to call me every other day, and my dad was like, "Udit kuch zyada hi phone kar raha hai, huh? He's missing you a lot."
Style vich lassi da glass khich.
She was on the cruise that time, and I remember asking her out on the phone itself when she was in US. So yeah, that is when we actually started dating, and then it was just a process which just kept happening and things kept falling in place.
It was always on the charts, like I said, you know, there was so much on and off, so it was predictable, everyone knew about it, so it was just a question of, you know, when. So I mean, I had an idea. It was more like, you know, let's see how far it goes and let's see how it goes.
Here we go. Here we go. Yo, coming in hard, I feel rhythm I'll never flow. Bad boy flow, bad boy flow. Here we go. Yo, coming in hard, I feel rhythm.
The most emotional moment I think could be the night that I proposed to her for marriage.
बड़े ओके सोके चढ़ा है फितूर लेके टोपे शोपे हो जा मशहूर मुझे मस्ती चढ़ी है from head to toe जिन्हें रचना है रचे जो ना रचे FO.
I was happy because she said yes to me, and she was happy because I asked her out.
चचा चिल्ल पर मचाओ रुक जाए बीट जब पहले मत बैठो गंद पाओ in the club चचा चिल्ल पर मचाओ रुक जाए बीट जब चल ले let's dance ready to dance आने वाला है खाने का हो नचो सारे जी फाड़ के हिल के नाचो नाचो हिल के नाचो नाचो हिल के नाचो नाचो नचो सारे जी फाड़ हमसे आता है 1 2 and she has connected मैदान में जिस दिन हम झूम के धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम झूम के धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के वो सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है जो सब करते हैं यारो वो क्यों हम तुम करें यूं ही कसरत करते करते काहे को हम मरे घर वालों से टीचर से भला हम क्यों डरे यहाँ के हम सिकंदर चाहे तो रख ले सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर और हमसे बच के रहना मेरी जान
नहीं समझे हैं वो
तो क्या जाता है हमारी बाजी को जीतना हमें आता है यहाँ के हम सिकंदर चाहे तो रख ले सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर अरे हम भी है शहजादे गुलबाम
नहीं समझे हैं वो हमें तो क्या जाता है
हारी बाजी को जीतना हमें आता है निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम झूम के धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम झूम के धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के नहीं समझे हैं वो हमें तो क्या जाता है
एक्चुअली पहले तो वो घर पे आती थी उदित से मिलने के लिए, बट जब इतना सीरियसनेस हुआ तो संगीता ने मुझे बोला कि भाई दे आर इंटरेस्टेड टू मैरी। मैंने कहा ठीक है। दैट वाज द डे विच वाज कि अच्छा ठीक है, आई वाज स्टार्टेड लुकिंग कि अच्छा अच्छा ये बहू है। दैट वाज ऑल।
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई 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 हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ
They love each other very much, and that is very important in any relationship.
शहनाई ख्वाबों के बीच कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है।
Oh no, they're very lovey-dovey type, no maturity at all. They fight for stupid things, and at the end of it, I have to sit and sort it half of the time.
रास रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी जय आवी आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणा हो जय लावी ओ लावी ओ लावी
And she's always smiling and bubbly. So क्या एक घर में माहौल वैसे ही हो जाता है।
रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए
mother-in-law is also a very caring and loving person. I've seen. I thank God, that even if I'm not there for her, her mother-in-law will always be there.
ख्वाबों के बीज कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है, आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है, अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है, शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई.
As last really 1 year I have started coming to know him. He's a beautiful human being. He's a very nice human being.
मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई.
सज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे अभी, आजा आजा टमटमाता शमणाओ जे लावी ओ लावी.
दुल्हन तो मैचिंग दूल्हा रे, है साडी अखां दे तारे, नगाड़े संग शहनाई शहनाई, पी पी बाजे रे, मुहल्ले सज गए ने सज गए ने सज गए ने चौबारे.
Udit doesn't smile that much, but when he gets this one twinkle in his eye and he like smile, it's not a laugh, it's just a smile. And when I get that smile, it's like fall in love all over again.
क्या करूं क्या करूं क्या करूं, इस लम्हे में मैं कुछ भी जानू ना. तो से नैना जब से मिले.
When I first saw her in 2005, it was her eyes that I really fell for. But then I think it was just the whole personality that I fell for, because I knew her almost for 4 years, so I knew what kind of a person she was.
जब से मिले तो से नैना जब से मिले बन गए सिलसिले. तो
से नैना जब से मिले, ओ सुध बुध खोई है कोई मैंने, हाँ जान गवाई गवाई मैंने, हाँ तुझको बसाया है धड़कन में.
Over the years, he has changed a lot. I mean, I knew this college boy who just wanted to talk to lots of girls and probably wasn't as chivalrous as he is right now. And I've seen him transform into a complete gentleman.
सांवरे तो से नैना जब से मिले, तो से नैना जब से मिले, बन गए सिलसिले.
I actually never thought of any girl like that. I mean, I want my girl to be like this or I want my girl to be like that. The only thing that I know of is the only girl that I've fallen in love with is Chandni.
खुद को खोकर तुझको पाया, इस तरह से मुझको जीना आया.
I wouldn't say it's 50-50 because I'm not a 50% partner in what we are today. She's more of the owner of this relationship.
ससुराल को अखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई. हाय बन्नो रे बन्नो मेरी चली ससुराल को अखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई.
रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा यूं न जा, आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ. रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा यूं न जा, कैसा तू है निर्मोही कैसा हर जाइया.
I love you, Tanvi. I've done something which I don't think so many people would do, that is I've put mehndi for you. So just going to tell you that you're going to start a new life and I'm always going to be there. I'll stand by you no matter what. And I just want to say I love you, and I think those 3 words are more than enough to express my feelings and my gratitude towards you. As I said, thank you for giving me your daughter, and just keep calm and have faith. I'm going to keep her happy. And special message for my mother-in-law, I will feed her good food.
We are so lucky, both of us, Udit and I are really lucky, and it's just because our parents have been such good people. You know, they've got the blessings and we are...
कहती है हर एक दिल में छुपा कहीं प्यार है, बस पहचाने जो कोई.
Everyone goes through this phase, and I know that she's going to be happy wherever she is. All mothers miss their daughters, but this is the way of life.
नैना लगे जाए जो कहीं, नज़दीकियों का पता है दूरियां ले गई, मिले मुझे पर मैनू जाने
तन्वी, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम. तुमको कभी भी कोई चीज़ की कमी नहीं रहेगी, चाहे वो प्यार हो, चाहे वो दुलार हो, या चाहे वो कुछ और भी चीज़ हो.
They always stay together, smiling, and may God always fulfill their wishes.
Chandni, I really love you. I'll miss you. I'm always there for you. Whatever you want.
दिल को किसी पे है यकीन, छूटे ना
And I'm very happy to see, like you can see the love in their eyes and how happy they are together.
His relationship, not only between Udit and Tanvi, it is a relationship between the two families.
पर मैनू जाने नहीं.
We've seen Chandni and Udit's relationship grow since the last 11 years, and now finally we are seeing them get married, and this is like such an exciting moment for both of them, and we wish them a really happy married life together.
उदित भाई को और चांदनी भाभी को हम सब की तरफ से ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और लव यू उदित.
Love you, Chani. And Udit.